Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in its daily weather briefing program of 6 August 2021. In this briefing, we will discuss what is observed during past 24 hours over different parts of the country and what is expected during next 24 hours. So let us start the presentation. This slide is dedicated for monsoon activity realized during past 24 hours. In this slide, we are presenting two Indian maps. Left hand side map is for subdivision wise distribution of 24 hours accumulated rainfall ending at 8:30 hours IST of today, that is 6th August. And right hand side map is showing monsoon activity over different parts of the country in terms of weak, normal, and active. So from left hand side map, where light blue and dark blue color shows that fairly widespread to widespread rainfall has been observed during past 24 hours over Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands, Kerala and Mahe, coastal Karnataka and including interior Karnataka also. And except Gujarat, remaining parts of the country, rainfall distribution was isolated to scattered. And as regards this right hand side map, we can see that light blue color shows active monsoon conditions prevailed during the past 24 hours over West Madhya Pradesh and normal over shown by green color over Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, East Rajasthan, Gangetic West Bengal, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Andaman Nicobar Islands, coastal and South Interior Karnataka, and Kerala and Mahe. Over other parts of the country, monsoon remained weak. As regards rainfall realization, very heavy rainfall realized at isolated places over East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, coastal Karnataka, and heavy rainfall at isolated places over Uttarakhand, West Rajasthan, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Konkan and Goa, South Indian Karnataka, and Kerala and Mahe. As regards quantitative values, we can see that Khanpur, Manohar Thana, Chachoda and Sirnoz reported 17 centimeter each, Asanbar 16 centimeter, Dakshin Karnataka in Kannada in coastal Karnataka 15 centimeter, Chavda, Kodagu, Eora 11 centimeter, Kolkata in Damdam Airport reported 10 centimeter, Baikom, Shimoga and Kakyam reported 9 centimeter, Nalkheda, Dibrugarh, Ashoknagar, Kanchanpur and Neelaswaram 8 centimeter each. So this is all about the monsoon activity and rainfall realized during past 24 hours. This slide is having two maps. Left hand side map is showing synoptic systems of 6th August 2021 and right hand side is the cloud conditions prevailing over the different parts of the country. From the left hand side map we can see that still there is a low pressure area over northern parts of the central MP and there is a cyclonic circulation which was yesterday over North Bay of Bengal, now shifted northwards and lies over southeast parts of Bangladesh and neighborhood, and monsoon trough is slightly either normal or south of its normal position, running through from starting from Bikaner, that is Rajasthan, then across the center of low pressure area over Madhya Pradesh, and then through this Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal and goes to northeast Bay of Bengal. Right hand side figure shows the cloudiness. We can see that the cloud patches are mainly over West Madhya Pradesh adjoining East Rajasthan, parts of Gangetic West Bengal, and South Chhattisgarh adjoining North Telangana. These are the main cloud patches where rainfall is expected. We will discuss in next slide. So this is the weather warning map issued by IMD for next 24 hours. So from this orange color we can see that heavy to very heavy rainfall at one or two places is very likely over West Madhya Pradesh and the adjoining area of East Rajasthan, and over Assam, Meghalaya, and one or two places over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Otherwise, by yellow color, we can see that only heavy rainfall at one or two places is expected over East Madhya Pradesh, South Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Gangetic West Bengal, Assam and Meghalaya already mentioned, and also over coastal and South Indian Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu areas. As regard thunderstorm activities, it is very likely mainly over east and northeast India, that is over Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, and northeastern states, that is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and also one or two places over Telangana and over Tamil Nadu areas. As regards fishermen warning, 45 to 55 kmph gusting to 65 kmph, very likely over southwest and west central Arabian seas, and speed reaching 40 to 50 gusting to 60 kmph over east central Arabian sea. And squally weather, wind speed reaching 40 to 50 gusting to 60 kmph over northeast and east central Bay of Bengal. So we can see that along and off any Indian coast, no strong wind is expected during next 24 hours. However, over these areas, what we have mentioned, fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas. So these are the main weather warnings issued for next 24 hours. In brief, we can see that weather warning for next 5 days is shown in this slide. We can see that the zone of heavy rainfall of West MP and East Rajasthan today and tomorrow is likely heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan, West MP, and the adjoining areas of West Uttar Pradesh, and also over Assam and Meghalaya on 7th August. And heavy rainfall is also expected on 7th August over Kerala and Mahe, and this is as far as South India is concerned, heavy rainfall is likely over these areas, that is coastal and South Indian Karnataka, Kerala and Mahi and Tamil Nadu area on 6th, 7th, and mainly on during 6th and 7th. However, over Tamil Nadu, we can expect heavy rainfall on 7th, 8th August as also. As regards this Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand areas, this is heavy rainfall at one or two places likely over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Assam and Meghalaya on 8th also. And this rainfall is likely to continue on 9th and 10th as well. So this is about the weather warning for next 5 days. As far as the impact is concerned, as we have seen that very heavy rainfall is continue over West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan, so where impact is likely, and also heavy to very heavy rainfall at one or two places likely over Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura on today. So we can expect that localized flooding of roads, waterlogging low-lying areas and closure of underpasses mainly in urban areas of the above region, occasional reduction in visibility due to the heavy rainfall, and disruption of traffic in major cities due to the waterlogging and roads leading to increased travel time, minor damage to kacha roads and vulnerable structures, localized landslides, mudslides, especially over hilly areas, damage to horticulture and standing crops in some areas due to the heavy rainfall. And as far as the flooding condition is concerned, you can visit the website of Central Water Commission. As far as action is suggested are concerned, check for traffic congestion on your route before leaving for your destination. Follow any traffic advisories that are issued in this regard. Avoid going to areas that face the waterlogging problems and avoid staying in vulnerable structures. Thank you.